Hey folks, elder law care attorney Patrick Kelleher coming to you from elderlawcare.com. Hey folks, today's question is, who should you name as beneficiary on your life insurance policies? Folks, I often advise our clients here at elderlawcare.com, use the metaphorical four-headed monster as a formula when you're answering or addressing a good question you have around your planning situation. Who do you name, or who should you name as beneficiary of your life insurance policy? Okay, folks, if you name your spouse or anyone else for that matter, great news. You're going to avoid the first-headed monster. You're going to avoid the first-headed monster, probate court, if you name them as a beneficiary on your life insurance policy. Folks, the downside to that is you will not have tax planning. Downside to that is you will not have protection from what I refer to as financial creditors and predators. Your beneficiary is going to get an outright distribution in the palm of their hands. So if they're encountering times of turmoil, how much of their life insurance proceeds that you left them are they exposing to their creditors? They're encountering times of turmoil, lawsuit, divorce, automobile accident, in-laws turning into outlaws during a divorce situation. How much of that life insurance proceeds payable to your Moe, Larry, and Curly is at risk to their financial creditors and predators? Could be all of it, correct? So folks, really, really important to know who you're naming as a beneficiary. We oftentimes recommend to our clients, name your trust as the beneficiary, because in your trust, folks, you can create what we call family bloodline protection, which is asset protection, family bloodline protection within your trust to slay that beast, to slay that third-headed beast right there, financial creditors and predators. And if you have a taxable estate, remember your life insurance is a taxable asset for the estate tax. I refer to it as an invisible asset. So a lot of folks think they have a modest estate. Guess what? You have a $500,000 term life policy that can put you over asset where your family or your loved ones are now paying the tax man or the taxing authority because your life insurance policy put you over asset for the estate death tax. The solution, folks, have your estate elder law attorney put bypass tax credit shelter trust planning or marital trust planning if you're a married couple in your trust to reduce the estate tax to the greatest degree possible. So folks, make sure the proper beneficiary is named. Yes, you can name individuals. That will slay the first-headed beast, probate court, but that will not give you tax planning. That will not give you asset protection either. Folks, one more takeaway, fourth-headed monster. I would be remiss in my duties as an elder law attorney if we did not address the $15,000 per month nursing home. Folks, my strong recommendation, never, ever, ever, in most cases, name your estate as the beneficiary of your life insurance, your estate. Why? Because that would be sending off your asset to the probate court upon your demise. When it goes off to the probate court, now your family is hiring probate attorneys, and you can watch my other videos on reasons why you want to avoid probate court or read about it in the book. And the reason I'm referring to it here is because if you name your estate and if you received Medicaid benefits prior to your departure up to your cloud, now you're putting the Medicaid authority on notice and they can exercise estate recovery because your life insurance, say for example, $100,000 or more, payable to your estate, is going to go off to probate court. Probate court here in the Commonwealth requires certified mail notification to the Medicaid department to put them on notice. And once Medicaid sees that you have a solvent estate, you have money in your treasure chest or in your milk crate in this context, then Medicaid can enact what they call estate recovery. Estate recovery, they can put a lien on your estate and be reimbursed and take the whole shebang. So my strong recommendation, typically advise clients, do not name your estate as the beneficiary of your life insurance. Folks, if you found this video helpful, please scroll down, post a comment, post a question, because a member of our elder law care team will get back to you as soon as possible. And folks, pick up a copy of our book on Amazon or at elderlawcare.com. Thank you, folks. See you next time at elderlawcare.com.